I think the most important thing is to not always think that you have reached it to the maximum and you can do anything, but it's always important to know that I am still learning and finding mentors in every stage. In your new work, in your new stage in your career, in your different location. This is what can really help you to develop more. I personally, on a personal side, from different engagements or from different working regions or locations, I always love to stick and stay with people who I look forward to, and I always love to hear more and to understand more how they do things. And don't be shy. Don't be shy to communicate. People maybe sometimes think that, he might be very busy, he's doing a lot of things and so on. I don't want to disturb him. But no, it's your engagement with your mentor all the time. This what builds this collaboration that we are trying to explain from the very early beginning of the podcast and from our discussions. All communication is what really matters. And having someone who you can always look for and always see as a role example in your career or in your work, that will always keep you evolving and learning more and more.